Today I'm unboxing my Shaw 7.5 4.5-inch angle grinder. It just came in from Amazon Prime, and what I have in here, I have 3 grinders and then 3 metal cutters. And I think this is protective shell. And the grinder itself, the handle, and this is to protect this the grinder or the cutter, and this for the to tighten it. So how to put them together is easy, it's simple. The first thing you need to do is to put the protective shell on. It's 2 of them, so whichever way you want. I think I'll go for that. And this has a kind of teeth that goes or that sit into the grinder itself. So if it doesn't fit, just play with it. Just rotate it, and it should be able to sit on when it gets to the right. There we go, just like that. As you can hear the pop sound. All right, and this side you just rotate it to wherever you want. Once you're done, it's too easy. Just put the handle back on like that. There we go, just like that, and it's tight. It's not moving. Next, you have the screw that holds and tightens the blades or the grinder. So with these two, it has a kind of teeth on here, like a space, whatever you call it. All right, so that goes on like that. Okay, so once it's set on, the next thing you got to do is to put your blade on. For this, I don't know if it goes this way or that way, but whichever way it goes, it's gonna cut. So I think this side goes down. So to me, just set it on like that. Now with this, you make sure you put the flat side on here, just like that. Now it's not tight. You see how it's rotating? There's a button here. You push that button down and see if you can rotate that. You see it's still rotating. Once you push that button here down, you see how my finger is on it. Now it's time to use the wrench that came with it to tighten it, just like that. Once you push the button, it will prevent the blade from moving. So as you can see, the blade is not moving. You tighten it down. Make sure you don't do it all the way down, because when you're taking it out, you're gonna suffer. So you just tighten it a little bit, and boom, you let it go. All right, you let the button go. So now the blade is fit and you're ready to cut. But before you do, you can choose to put the handle on or not, depending whether you are left-handed or right-handed. Wherever you feel comfortable with it, you just put it on. If you want to go down, you just put it on like that and just screw it in. There we go, it's tight. So now the next thing you got to do is test. Make sure you don't put your hands anywhere here, because if you do, you're gonna have a sharp hand or a short arm. So let's try. I just plug it. My hand is not here in front. You hold the handle. Make sure you always have gloves on before you use it. So there we go. Make sure you wait until the blade stops completely before you set it down. Make sure you take out the plug too, the cable. There we go. So now it's safe. Thank you for watching my tutorial, my video. Please make sure you subscribe, you comment, You share. If you have any opinion or something you want to share, feel free to share. Thank you.